Nice.
Arm down, arm.
That's a 3, girl.
3.
At number 5, 150 pounders from Silverton, that's Taylor Detweiler. His opponent, returning state champion from Philomath, Riley Barrett. At number 6, 150 pounds from Thurston, 3-time state qualifier, 2-time state placer, 5th in the state last year, that's Jaden Ellis. His opponent from Crook County, Jackson Pennington.
There you go.
Mat number 3, 157 pounders from Crook County, that's Wyatt Stewart. His opponent, 3-time state placer, returning state champion from Thurston, that's Colton Anise.
Swipe.
Thanks.
Can we swipe?
Hanson Nelson. Mat number 1, 150 pounders from Sherwood, Grayson Fergucci. And his opponent from Canby, 3rd in the state last year, that's Matthew Young. Mat number 2, 150 pounders from Newburgh, Joshua Storm. And from Eagle Point, Nathan Malari. Mat number 5, 150 pounds from 57 pounds, from Banks, Lane Gilbert. And from Lebanon, 3rd in the state last year, that's Seth Wynn. Mat number 6, 157 pounds from Philomath, Ryder Zitlaw. And his opponent, 4th in the state last year from Pendleton, Kynan Zimmerman.
Reshot.
Mat number 4, 157 pounders from Mountain View, Ruben Kastner. And from LeGrand, 2-time state placer, returning state champion, that's Tommy Belvey.
Up.
How many times does he shoot before? Left. Oh shit. Drag. Come on, bud. Get up. No.
Come on, bud.
Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Keep it, keep it.
Put your knees under you.
Come on, bud. Let's go, Cole.
That's Michael Smith from West Lynn, 157 pounders. His opponent, three-time
There you
state
go, bud.
placer,
There you go, there you go.
state champ. And he was
Get your
first
head
in the TOC last year from Newburgh against Gus Anderson.
3. Seconds. Good job, bud. Good job, bud.